Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel BharathEduTech. In this video, we are going to do a simple Java program to add two numbers, where the two numbers is given as input in the console by user. So let's run the program and see. So when you run the program, it will ask for the first number. So you can give your first number. So I'll give it as 10. After hitting the enter, it will ask for the second number. So again, you can give your second number. And once after hitting the enter, it will give the sum of these two numbers. So 10 plus 20 is 30. Okay, so let's do this. So now I am inside a simple Java test class. So first I'll declare two variables to store my input. So I'll call that as num1 and num2. Okay. So then to get user input, we are going to use scanner class. So scanner, this is the object, new scanner. And in the constructor, we are going to give system.in. So input. So let's import this scanner class. Okay. So now I'll print, so this out. I'll print first statement. So enter first number. And we'll store this input in first variable, so that is num1. So num1, and we'll use scanner object sc dot. So next int is the method, so this will get the integer from the console and we'll store it in the num1. Okay, so again we'll copy these two lines, paste it here, and I'll change this to enter second number, and we'll change this to num2. Okay, so now that we have num1 and num2, let's print this out. So again I'll use this out, control space, and here I'll write the sum of two numbers is okay plus, and I'm going to print num1 plus num2. Okay, so save this and let's run the program and see. So it's asking for first number, so I'll give it as 10, and second number I'll give it as 20, and you can see the sum of two numbers is 30. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. So for more videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel.